Hello everyone. What if I told you that one decision can completely change your life? Dear English learner friends, today I feel truly happy and proud. Right now I'm working as an English spoken teacher at Shikkaloy English Spoken Care. I have a classroom where I teach many amazing students every day. Standing in my classroom, teaching beside my own picture on the wall, honestly, it feels unreal. It's a different kind of happiness, something I experienced for the very first time today. But this journey was not easy. Let me take you back to my university life. I was a first year student when my elder brother gave me 26,000 taka and told me to join an English foundation course. When I held that money in my hand, I felt emotional because I knew it was his hard earned money. I kept thinking, what if I fail? What if I can't speak English fluently after just 3 months? Will all this money go to waste? I was scared, I even cried. But my brother said something that changed everything. He said, Rajib, if you give your 100% effort and follow the right direction, even if you don't succeed, I won't be upset. That one sentence gave me the courage to move forward, and today you can see where I stand, all because of that support, that belief, and consistent effort. So, I want to tell you something very important. Never be afraid to invest in yourself. If you spend money to learn a skill or improve yourself, it is never a loss. It's always an investment and it will always give you returns. Keep learning, keep growing, and believe in your journey. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, and please keep me in your prayers.